Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to add the BMW M8 to GTA 5. First, you'll need to download the BMW M8 mod files from a reliable website. Make sure you have OpenRoman 4, a powerful modding tool, already installed on your computer. It's crucial to back up your GTA 5 game files before proceeding with any modifications to prevent potential issues. This initial setup ensures a smooth installation process for your new vehicle. Now, let's dive into OpenRoman 4. Launch the application and immediately enable edit mode at the top. This allows you to make changes to your game files. Next, you'll need to navigate to the specific game directory where vehicle mods are stored. If you don't already have a mods folder, create one in your main GTA 5 directory. This keeps your original game files safe and organized. With OpenRoman 4 in edit mode, it's time to add the BMW M8. Drag and drop the downloaded mod files directly into the designated folder within OpenRoman 4. Pay close attention to the specific installation instructions provided with the mod, as some vehicles have unique requirements. Double-check that all files are correctly placed to ensure the car appears in your game without any errors. This step is vital for a successful integration. Finally, launch GTA 5 and use your preferred in-game trainer to spawn the BMW M8. Take it for a spin to confirm everything is working perfectly and enjoy your new ride. Remember to check the description below for the link to Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals. This completes the installation process, and you're now ready to cruise Los Santos in style with your custom BMW M8. Have fun!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.